Example 1. We're going to solve the system of inequalities by graphing where x is less than or equal to 7 and x is greater than -10. We remember from previous lessons that when you have x equals a number type equations or inequalities, that means we are going to have a vertical line that travels straight up and down through the x-axis at the given point of interest. So, x is less than or equal to 7. We know that this is a vertical line, and because this is less than or equal, we know this is going to be a solid line. And due to it being a less than, we are going to shade below, which will be to the negative side. So let's place that here on our coordinate plane. We've got +7 on the x-axis, and this is a vertical line straight up and down, and it is going to be solid. So let's get out your straight edge and do that. And since we know that we are shading below, that will be to the negative side. That means that all of our shadings would go here across towards the left. And we're going to do that kind of gently, not fully filling the space. So let's look at our second inequality. We again have an x equals type equation. This is still a vertical line. So x greater than -10. So this is going to be a dotted line, as it is strictly greater than. And because it is greater than, we know we're going to shade above. And above for a vertical line means we're going to shade directly to the right towards the positives. So let's start that. So let's find our x-intercept of -10. That's all the way over here. And this is a vertical line. So we're going to place a couple of points above and below just to help us with our straight edge. But this is a dotted line, so make sure that you draw your dotted line. And since this is going to be shading above, that would mean we would travel all the way to the right. Okay, so we saw in the introduction that the true solution is where the shading overlaps. So you can see here with the colors and with just the different directions of the arrows that our genuinely overlapping region is here in the center between our pink and blue line. So this yellow region is the solution set for this system of inequalities. And there you go.